Who you putting your money on, Tim?
Same guy, Cole.
Yeah.
Smallmouth killer.
I'm gonna do like I've done so many times incorrectly. I'll bet on myself. Because I get lucky sometimes when it comes to smallmouth.
Not at Milford, you don't.
I'm betting on you, Tony.
Yeah.
I'm betting on you.
I'm buying dinner. I'm buying dinner if I win.
Calling it.
For you, Ernesto, just for that.
Calling it.
Todd, what'd you say? You're on mute.
Oh, I'm gonna bet against you.
All right.
I'm gonna bet $1,000 that you don't finish in the top 3.
You know, sometimes that's just what I need to get myself
myself
out there. So I appreciate that.
Prove me
That's
wrong.
all you need.
Prove me wrong.
Yeah.
Morning, everybody. I'm out at Milford Lake today doing some pre-fishing. It is August 8th, 2025. We have the Kansas Kayak Anglers Milford tournament this weekend, and so I thought I'd come out today and pre-fish. I didn't even have everything set up yet, and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna cast this out here. Didn't have my camera on or nothing. First cast at 14.5-inch smallmouth, so that's pretty cool. It's a good way to start. Sometimes though, when you start like that, then your expectations are too high. We'll see how I do, but so we'll have a little pre-fish video, or this will be part of the tournament video. Not sure. We'll see how many fish we catch today, but yeah, it's a good, fun way to start. I thought for sure it was a drum or something else, so that's pretty exciting. So anyway, thanks for watching this video today. I hope you like it, and should be fun. I'm gonna mostly go after smallmouth today. But yeah, so thanks everybody. Just a little guy, but hey, I'll take it. I don't know if you can hear me with the wind, but that's what I came for. 16 inches. Beautiful smallmouth. Inches. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Tony here with Random Likes. Today we are out at Milford Lake, near Milford, Kansas, Junction City, Kansas, that area. And we are doing the Kansas Kayak Anglers 5th event of the year. It is a 5-fish limit, 8-inch minimum, and best 5 fish. Heading to our spot, going out to a main lake point, and as you see, I caught a few fish in practice, so thought I would head over there, and I'm either going to work my way back, or I'm gonna work my way to the dam. I haven't decided yet. So hopefully we get on 5 good fish today. I had like a 16 and 15 in practice yesterday, so I'm hoping that I can catch a few more of those. If I can get on 5 of those, then I actually may have a chance to at least get in the top 5. But that was yesterday. Today's a different day, so we'll see if we can figure them out. Anyway, I am going to thank everybody for watching today. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the water. Oh, and we can leave at 6 from the boat ramp. Lines in at 6:30, lines out at 2:30. All right, everyone. Wish me luck, and if you're watching this video, it means I at least caught a fish. So thanks for watching. 6:30, let's go. Oh. See that? No. About a 15-inch smallie just jumped out of the water and spit my hook out. A little dink, but 9 3/4. But working towards the limit. That's all we want. Feels like a drum. Let's see if it is. Here's a small one. Let's see if we can get in the boat. Another 16. All right. That's picture worthy right there. That'll be for the YouTube thumbnail. 17.5 inches. Beautiful smallie. Look how beautiful that is. Thank you. $10 3/4. Also, I have my limit now, so that's awesome. 10 1/4. Feels like it's either 10 inches or 16 inches. I don't know what the deal is. Another 10 1/2. $16 1/4. A little more like that, we'll have 80 inches. Little guy, 8 1/4, no help. Well, I hope this is a smallmouth. Ah, that's a drum. Two and a half inches. No help. 16 and a quarter. I think that puts me over 80 inches, which was my dream goal today. Didn't think I was actually going to make it, so that is exciting. Ten and 3/4, no help. A little short of breath after that one. 18 and a half. That's a nice call. I think that calls me about 2.5 inches. That puts me at around 84 and a half, I think. Oh man, that got my heart racing. I really thought for sure that was a catfish. Well, that was 16, but I got a picture. Oh, son of a bitch. And 3/4. I don't even think that helps me. It's a good day when the 15 and 3/4 doesn't do you any good. 14 3/4. Nice. Sorry for all the wind, but I'm headed back to the boat ramp. And I finished out with 86.25. I think that's my second best ever. Anyway, we gotta get over to the award ceremony and see how we did. Not everybody submitted their fish when the standings went off, but at that time I was in first place, but I think 86.25 will at least get me top 3. So, but no guarantee. So I think it was 5 or 6 people that hadn't submitted yet. Yeah, what a great day of fishing. Caught some really nice smallmouth, lots of big smallmouth. I found a spot and they were just on fire. Used a finesse jig with a little trailer most of the day, and not much more else I can say about that. I was catching them off with little drop-offs, and man, one of the best days of fishing I've had in a long time. So I am stoked. I'll put the place I ended up getting right here, if I don't put it on the thumbnail. So thanks everybody for watching today. If you have questions about anything, any gear or anything I use, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody watching. Hope you enjoyed the content I'm putting out. And we will see you next time on the next video.
Guy left.
And in first place,
I wonder who it could be.
with 86.25 inches, also big bass of 18.5 inches, Tony Boyden. With a combined 155.25 inches, taking home $180. The Boyden brothers.
Yay.
Tony.
There you go. Good job. He carried me. I think it's a good job. Yeah.
What else?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Good job, little bro.